are last morning. Everybody's not feeling well, we're not feeling it, so long journey ahead, so come for a lovely breakfast at Schooner's, one of our favourites. So yeah, all very sad today. So this is what I mean about the breakfast potatoes at Schooner's. I had, I didn't even realise, but I subbed them for hash browns because I forgot that I've obviously a mouth and I can change it. But yeah, Stuart kept them ones, but you can see what I mean, they're not very nice. Just sub them for hash browns. Right. Okay, so excuse the cases and the mess. We're just borrowing this room. So I just wanted to give you a look at a king-sized room. It's a big 4-poster with a fan over the top. Now that is big enough for the 3 of us. 2 sets of drawers, a lovely table and chairs here, and then you've got this massive trundle. Now the bottom usually pulls out to be a second bed, and then you can sleep on the top. You can see it's big enough for Scarlett's about 5'2", 5'3". So, and then more chests of drawers over here. And then that's your bar with drinks and cups and stuff up above. Wanted to give you a look out the window because it's not as beautiful a view as ours. You can see all the construction going on over there. You can also hear it. It's going to be huge. I think it's going to be gorgeous. And now you should go out this window somehow. You do have the chair in the way. Anyway, squeeze through there. Oh my god, it's so hot. And then there's the construction. This room is 269. So it's way round the corridor. And down to the pool that way. But you can't see the pool, you can't see the sea. You can only see other buildings and obviously that construction. But yeah, it's a good big sized room, perfect for a family. Just location isn't great. I mean, view isn't great. I just wouldn't get out of here. Oh, there we are. Yeah, it's a nice room.
Right, so sadly it's our departure day. We had a fantastic holiday. You literally go to towards the exit and you have a dedicated departure lounge, which is just here. It's all comfortable. You've got drinks, coffee and everything in there, seats, and then yeah, you basically just wait for the bus to come and pick you up. So here we are. Right, so this is the departure lounge. So you can see over there is a coffee and there's a whole lot of water in the fridge. There's your flights, there's on the TV there. And then you go through to the doors at the back there and you can check where your luggage is. There is another TV on the other wall. But yeah, it's all cosy and quite relaxed. It's a pleasant way of saying goodbye. Until next time.
So we're sitting at the airport and our flight was always 7 o'clock on the way out. Beaches told us it was 6:30, which I thought was strange, but anyway, they brought us here. They picked us up at 3:30 and brought us to the airport. It's 4 o'clock, we're through security and BA are saying that the flight's not until 7. So we've got 3 hours to sit here. I'll do a spin round in a second in this airport, which is just, it's too long. However, I think the Beaches, a private taxi costs an absolute arm and a leg here. They absolutely rinse you. So what choice do you have? You're just going to have to sit here for 3 hours in this awful airport. Right, I'm going to spin it round. So over here you've got your departure gates. And then you've got a massive big aircon unit there. One duty-free shop ready to go, and then toilets, and then that's basically your lot.
I think it's
No.
upstairs.
There's an upstairs, and I think that's where the priority lounge is. But we are lucky it's empty today, because I think when you've got a few American flights going out at the same time, this would be an absolute nightmare. But yeah, at least we've got a seat. But we're going to have to sit here for 3 hours before a 12-hour flight. Frustrating, but what you got to do. So we forgot about the upstairs area, Gilly's Bar and Lounge. If you come up here, there's actually Wi-Fi, so it's handy to come up here. It's absolutely baking, mind you, so I think we're going to have to move closer to the Zircon units. And you get a view over the concourse to see the planes taking off, if you so desire. And there's a bar outside as well. So yeah, it's well worth it coming up the stairs.